So today I'll be showing you the Reilley abstraction, which if you did not know, it is a very useful technique that helps you draw your portraits a lot faster and a lot better. So if you're struggling with your portraits or simply want to draw better, then this video is for you. So we'd like to start off by simply laying in the Loomis head first. So what the Loomis head is, it is basically a sphere with a blocky shape at the bottom of the sphere for the jaw. And then you will divide this very primitive sort of head shape into 3 equal thirds. You will end up with 4 major lines in total to separate each of the 3 areas. And so the point of this is to show the most basic landmarks of the head. For example, the top line, or I guess you could say the second line, the line that has 1 right next to it, that usually indicates where the hairline will be. And so that's it for the Loomis head in this video. Again, there's a lot of other videos on YouTube that go into a lot more detail. But for now, let's just dive into the Reilley head and the Reilley technique. Alright, so what the Reilley head is that it is a bunch of different curves that wrap around the head. And what these curves do is that they mark certain landmarks on the head. For example, where the nose is, where the eye sockets, where the eyeballs will be, and they just help you make sure that your portrait will be as symmetrical and as developed as possible. So I'd say the first major curve or rhythm of the Reilley abstraction is this circle that goes from the top of the hairline down through the eye bridge line. The next major curve starts at the bottom of the nose line, that third line on the Loomis head, and then it goes up around, I'd say, 3/4 of the way up to the next line, the second line on the Loomis head. So this is the rhythm into which we'll later on insert the nose. And then the next major line should be a sort of oval shape at the bottom of the chin. And then to signify the mouth area, we will draw a slightly bigger oval that will go through the bottom of the nose rhythm and through the top of the chin rhythm. The next line curves all the way from the top of the nose oval all the way down to the bottom of the jaw. And then the last 2 major curves for now go from what would eventually be the top of the ear down all the way to the inside of these 2 ovals that sit around the mouth area. And so what using this technique does for your portraits is that it helps later on put in your facial features, like I'm doing here, just trying to add in the lips and the nose a little bit. And then it later on helps you shade your drawing and do a bunch of different things that just make your portrait look a lot better. Alright, so that's it for the video for today. I hope you guys really liked it. If you did, please don't mind leaving a like. And other than that, I will see you guys soon.